Okay team, so today's little workout tip Wednesday is about push-ups. And so many people come to us and they say, you know, I'd like to be able to do a press-up or a push-up, haven't got any upper body strength. And one of the things, you know, you can do if a push-up is a goal for you is to figure out how much you can actually do in the first place, because you've got to understand a press-up or a push-up is an extremely hard exercise. It's a very challenging upper body exercise. A lot of fitness people will tell you, you know, press-ups, you know, do press-ups, but if you're not strong enough and you haven't got upper body strength, then doing a press-up is very, very difficult. It's probably an upper end strength movement that you can't do. But what's good about it is that you can actually build up to that. And you need to understand how much do you need to be able to, how much weight you need to press to be able to do a push-up. I'm going to give you a very quick tip on how you can do that, okay? So you can use a weighing scales. I'll get this started, and that's on the 0, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to put your hands on the weighing scales and come into the press-up position like this. And this shows us 52.7. So for me to be able to do a press-up, I will need to be able to press 52.7 kilos. So that's actually quite hard to do. So how can you do it? Well, what you do, you find another way to do it. So you can grab some dumbbells and then you can just press the dumbbells. So if you got like 2 10s, that's 20 kilos. And if that's really, really challenging for you, you know you've got to bridge the gap between 20 kilos and 57 kilos. So it's a lot of weight to lift. But with something called progressive overload, if you gradually start pushing more weight, and you can do with a barbell or a bent or a dumbbell press, doesn't matter, you will then be able to hit that 57 kilos for me, for a much weight that I need to be able to do a press up. Now the other thing as well is that, you know, to be able to meet that strength goal, if press ups are for you, they need to decrease your body fat. So can you imagine if you weighed less, you know, and then you know, as you gradually get stronger, you bridge that gap in the middle for you to be able to do a press up. So my challenge to you would be, if a press up is a goal for you, is to weigh yourself, get into the plank position, outstretch, see what the number is. That's going to be the number you must be able to press to be. Then you can look for an exercise machine, ideally a bench press or dumbbells. See where you're at, and then you just start working on that as you go over. In terms of frequency, you probably want to be doing a range weights between about 10 to 12 reps, 3 times 3 sets per workout. And maybe do that 3 times a week. So you get 9 sets of pressing exercises throughout the week. And over time, you're going to be able to actually hit that press up goal of yours. Hope you like the tip. Have a good day, and I will see you next time.